Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered personal assistants and uncovering the best tools of 2024. These digital helpers have become essential parts of our lives, from setting reminders to controlling our smart homes. But with so many options available, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. Stay tuned to find out which ones are leading the pack and how they can make your life easier. First up, we have ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. Now, you guys know I love diving into the latest AI tech, and ChatGPT is seriously impressive. It's known for its conversational abilities, almost like you're chatting with a real person. We're talking natural language processing that can understand and respond to complex queries. Its knowledge base is absolutely massive, pulling information from a diverse range of sources. Need help writing an email, crafting a social media post, or even generating creative content? ChatGPT's got you covered. And the numbers don't lie. With over 10 million active users, it's clear that ChatGPT has tapped into something special. But it's not just about the tech itself, it's about what you can do with it. Imagine having a brainstorming partner available 24/7, or a tool that can help you articulate your thoughts more effectively. That's the power of ChatGPT. Next, we have Google Assistant, a heavyweight in the AI assistant arena. And let's be real, Google knows a thing or two about information and convenience. Google Assistant seamlessly integrates with all your favorite Google services, from Gmail and Calendar to Maps and Search. Need directions, want to send a quick text or set a reminder? Just say the word and Google Assistant makes it happen. But it's the smart home integration where Google Assistant really shines. With over 500 million users worldwide, it's clear that people are embracing the power of a connected home. Control your lights, adjust the thermostat, even preheat your oven, all with just your voice. And with Google's vast ecosystem of devices and partnerships, the possibilities are pretty much endless. Whether you're a die-hard Android user or just appreciate Google's reach, Google Assistant is a serious contender in the AI personal assistant game. Amazon Alexa, the voice command king. Let's move on to Amazon Alexa, a voice assistant that's practically synonymous with smart homes. Seriously, who hasn't seen those Super Bowl commercials? Alexa excels in voice command functionality, making it super intuitive to use. Just say Alexa, followed by your command, and it's handled. And with a massive selection of compatible smart home devices, you can control everything from your lights and locks to your entertainment system and appliances. Over 100 million users rely on Alexa to streamline their daily routines and manage their connected homes. But Alexa isn't just about turning off the lights, it's also a hub for entertainment and information. Stream music, listen to podcasts, get news updates, even order pizza, all with just your voice. Amazon has built a robust ecosystem around Alexa, making it a versatile and powerful AI assistant. Apple Siri, the Apple ecosystem companion. Now, for all you Apple fans out there, we have Siri deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem. If you're rocking an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, Siri is your go-to personal assistant. It's known for its smooth integration with Apple devices and services, making it effortless to use within the Apple world. Send messages, make calls, set reminders, even control your Apple HomeKit devices, all with Siri's help. And with over 375 million users, it's clear that Siri has become an integral part of the Apple experience. But Siri isn't just about convenience within the Apple ecosystem. It's also about personalization. It learns your preferences and habits over time, providing tailored recommendations and assistance. Need to find a specific photo, set a custom shortcut, or get directions to your next appointment? Siri's got your back. It's that seamless integration and personalized touch that makes Siri a valuable companion for Apple users. Microsoft Cortana, the productivity powerhouse. Last but not least, we have Microsoft Cortana, an AI assistant designed with productivity in mind. If you're all about efficiency and organization, Cortana is worth checking out. It integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office, making it a powerhouse for managing your work tasks and schedule. Schedule meetings, set reminders, even dictate documents, all with Cortana's help. And with around 50 million users, it's clear that Cortana has found its niche in the productivity space. But Cortana isn't just about spreadsheets and emails. It can also handle your personal tasks, set alarms, get traffic updates, even control your smart home devices, all within the Cortana ecosystem. Microsoft has focused on making Cortana a valuable tool for both work and life, and it shows. Whether you're a busy professional or just want a little help staying organized, Cortana is a solid choice. And there you have it, the top AI-powered personal assistants of 2024. From conversational AI to smart home control and productivity features, these digital helpers are becoming increasingly sophisticated and integrated into our lives. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. What features are most important to you in an AI assistant? The future of AI is constantly evolving, and I'm excited to see what innovations are still to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. Whether you're a user of AI tool, a project manager, AI model developer, a business leader, social media content developer, a policymaker, or just someone curious about the impact of AI, Responsible AI YouTube channel has something for you. We'll break down complex topics into easy-to-understand content, ensuring you stay informed and ahead of the curve. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.